Make sure you close the lid. I'm using condensed glue gels to adhere the crystals. And no wipe top coat. I just open it that way. Good night, Sarisa. Is Sarisa leaving us? She I just want to say good night. I'm so weird because sometimes I got to look up and I see if I miss your question, just keep asking me again. I'm so sorry if I miss that. All right, where my baby? Hold on. No, I need this one right there. This one kind of heavy. I really like this. It's super cute. It's you can see in the back. It's like curved nicely. Hold on, I can't do that. I have to put it right there. It's kind of heavy. You can use tweezers for that. Then I get my frame. It looks nice and dark. I like the onyx so much. One of my favorites. I wear that quite a few times on my knee set and never get tired of it. What did you say?
I thought it was crooked.
It's crooked.
No, it's fine.
I say, wait, is it crooked?
No, you're fine. It's just...
Maybe a different angle. Let me see. Oh, it's not bad. I like it. Just for fun. You know, every time we're just trying to do a different design so you ladies won't get tired of what we're doing. I just want to get some gold on it to make it stand out. Might be a longer one. Not bad. The shorter one. I get it's just a little bit crooked for me on that side. So I like this frame. This frame a little bit longer, so it's similar but it's not the right one. Did I get it right? I feel I'm too far away from the Santella, I can't wait to see your nails that you done. Just send us the pictures. Oh, I'm gonna get this. Hope you're really enjoying it. This is something that I do if I don't go live with you ladies when doing my own nails. That's why you're seeing like, what, Nancy? I want to see your nails. So, and I still own Live Ras, my toe pictures, and they are after how many weeks now? Live Ras is like 4 weeks, and it's still beautiful. Well, I mean, growing out, but the design, I mean, the crystal is still beautiful. I'm not talking about my feet, but my cute design crystal and chromes. All right, if you don't want this style, you can do so many different ones with. Really, it's up to you. I'm gonna put some on it and then I here. You can do so many with different charm chains and beads. I think I got the beads dropped right there. Oh, seeing I have you ladies here, remember to enter the giveaway on both Facebook and Instagram. Do not forget. Have fun and good luck, ladies. Santella, that's a question you asked before. How to enter to win is what on Facebook. And I think we'll try to pin it there, so make sure you check that out and enter to win. Alright, so I need to turn it because they are a little bit different angles. I can't see it from far away. I'm gonna using that. See if we can get that. Then might a little bit longer. Oh, not bad. Perfect. Oh, I found a really long one. I don't need that. Great. This one that's really fine one. Yeah, perfect. To make it connect together. Hold on, let me try to move that. Sorry. Can't see. I can't see it either. Because I said, wait, I didn't. Okay, now you can see it now. I'm just so enjoying it. I like totally forget that I am lying with everyone, so just ignore me. Ta-da! Great. I think it's good. Oh my goodness. Well, be honest. If you really like that designer foil, you shouldn't put any crystals on like me. Just leave it alone and you put the top coat on, you're good to go. However, if you want to get a couple nails designs, like the clients like can't help it, they want to have beautiful bling on or whatever it is, they can put 2 rings finger or 1 ring and leave them alone. I think it looks good. You like it? You lady likes it? If you like it, I'll here. And then we can move on to the next one. Ta-da! Oh, can you see it? Instagram. There you go. Great. All right, here for 60 seconds. Hold on, let me see if I get crooked or anything at all. All Alright, baby, let's clear this fun part. Maybe one more beads in here. Usually when I do myself, I'm gonna turn my fingers like this so I can see the best. Right, I just put 2 more beads at all. Okay, keep for 60 seconds. It's so much fun. And the rest of them, you should leave it alone if you want to. I like them a lot. Let me know what you think. Oh, thanks so much, Tony. Tony on Facebook said, I love the creation. Thank you so much. Chantella, just send us the picture of your nails you did with foil, and you tell me how did I do. Great, I will definitely. Let me see if do I miss anyone? I love you ladies on that. It's like, hi Tommy, hola, thank you Nuna. Nuna, I can't wait to see your beautiful creations. This is the nails that we have, and then I did the other ones on it. Should I leave it alone and don't do anything with that? Or should I bling them all like this? That's gonna be so nice. Okay, now we're gonna go into doing precision glue. Precision glue. And make sure you get the red cap off and keep that there. So I'm using it right here and fill in all the gaps. All the gaps, cracks right there. Before I used to not weigh the bars and all of that frames because it keep catching on my hair, or I'm afraid it's gonna catching. Now I don't have to worry it anymore because the precision glue is gonna fill in all the gaps, unlike the gaps and all the cracks. So then it won't have that happen. It's really eliminating it if that happens. So each time I squeeze it out, it's just like really, really like small amount. You can see that, right? A little go a long way. And you can always fill it again as needed. Try not, you can do it over again. And you don't have to do it all accessories in one time, because you want to key it first and then you do it again. Okay, key that.